And it was just such a horrible situation for the students and the teachers and everyone that had to be involved.
In summer of 2022, 15 ACs were installed on the campus of Waianae High School.
Okay, rough draft.
Air conditioning plays an important part in creating a comfortable learning space for the kids. So as the VP in charge of facilities, that was one of our long-term goals, getting the entire campus air conditioned.
Waianae reaches temperatures of 80 through 85 degrees, so Mr. Oshita is well aware of student concerns.
Classes with AC impact your learning because it's easier to think when it's colder, and it's not as you don't get off focus more because it's not as hot.
This project was funded by the money used to spend on health and safety for a school setting that allows more comfort for students.
Well, we've known that air conditioning is an issue at all schools statewide. But I mean, anything that we can kind of help you guys, make you guys' lives, I guess, somewhat comfortable to, for you guys to learn.
All the schools on the Waianae coast, all of the classrooms are going to be cooled within about the next year or so.
Terryan Uyeno, Sea Rider News.